Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we bring you a breathtaking creation that redefines luxury travel. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. When you hear the name Ferrari, your mind instantly pictures speed, elegance, and precision engineering. Now imagine all of that applied to a full-sized, ultra-luxurious motorhome designed for those who want to experience the road like never before. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile palace on wheels, blending Italian supercar DNA with the high-end functionality of a premium RV asterisk. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Ferrari has infused its signature styling into this massive structure with such finesse that it doesn't look like a bulky RV at all. The sculpted lines are sharp, flowing seamlessly from front to back, reminiscent of Ferrari's high performance. Sports cars. The signature Ferrari front grille sits boldly at the nose, flanked by narrow LED headlights inspired by the SF9 Ostradale. Aerodynamic enhancements include a carbon fiber front splitter, integrated side air intakes, and a rear spoiler, not just for show, but for actual downforce when cruising at high speeds. Asterisk, the body is built with lightweight composite materials and aluminum, reducing overall weight without compromising durability. It features large 24-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance touring tires, providing both aesthetic appeal and a smooth ride. The iconic Rosso Corsa red paint glistens under sunlight, complemented by matte black and chrome accents along the windows and side skirts. Retractable steps and auto-lowering suspension enhance accessibility, while laser-guided exterior cameras replace traditional mirrors, offering a sleek and futuristic profile. Asterisk, at the rear, you're greeted by a diffuser and a triple exhaust setup borrowed directly from Ferrari's V8 models. The taillights mimic the circular layout found on the Rama, creating a consistent design language across the Ferrari range. Every inch of the exterior exudes purpose and prestige, reminding you that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a Ferrari. Asterisk, step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome doesn't disappoint. The interior is a fusion of automotive luxury and high-end residential comfort. The cabin features handcrafted leather upholstery in Ferrari's signature black and tan scheme, accented with red stitching and carbon fiber inserts. The driver's cockpit is modeled after a Ferrari GT, complete with a F1-style steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Multiple touchscreens manage everything from climate control to lighting and entertainment. Asterisk, the lounge area is wrapped in Alcantara with ambient LED lighting, plush seating, and hidden storage compartments. A fold-out old TV, surround sound, speakers from Bang & Olufsen, and a built-in espresso bar make it feel like a luxury suite. The kitchen is compact yet elegant, with Italian marble countertops, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a collapsible dining table. Asterisk, the bedroom offers a full queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, mood lighting, and smart blinds. Ensuite bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a high-end vanity. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated to reflect Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. Asterisk, now, let's talk performance. An area where Ferrari never compromises. Unlike most motorhomes that focus purely on comfort, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is built on a specially engineered chassis co-developed with Scuderia Ferrari. It's powered by a hybrid V12 powertrain producing over 900 horsepower, combining a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated engine with 3 electric motors. This setup allows the motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, unheard of in the RV world. Asterisk, an advanced adaptive suspension system ensures ultra-smooth handling, even on challenging terrains. The intelligent torque vectoring system and 4-wheel steering provide stability and agility, making it feel more like a grand tourer than a house on wheels. It comes equipped with regenerative braking, Formula One-derived cooling systems, and even an active aerodynamic system that adjusts depending on your driving speed and road conditions. Asterisk, driving this motorhome is an experience in itself. Whether you're on a highway or a scenic mountain pass, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome offers a balance of ferocious performance and unmatched comfort. Ferrari has successfully created a mobile lifestyle machine for the elite, a symbol of power, freedom, and prestige. Asterisk, this isn't just about traveling. It's about making every journey memorable, every mile thrilling, and every stop luxurious. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a statement. It's the future of high-performance luxury travel, wrapped in the unmistakable spirit of the prancing horse. Thanks for watching Speed Zone.